Hello and welcome everyone. Today is the day 3 of C programming language. Yesterday we discussed about the introduction of constants. Now we will discuss about variables and keywords. So before discussing these two topics, first of all we have to understand what is the range of integer. Actually the range of integer is minus 32768 to 32767. Why is this range is between these two digits? So let's discuss about this. Most of the students in universities or colleges mainly cram this number for the integer range, or for the character range they just cram other number. So no need to cram this number, we have to calculate this number. So how we will calculate this? What is the range of integer? As we already know that the integer size is 2 bytes. 2 bytes means 16 bits. 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. So 2 bytes means 16 bits. So these are the 16 bits, individual bits. So first bit is 2 raised to power 0, then 2 raised to power 1, then 2, up to 2 raised to power 15. So because it is from 0 to 15, so the total will be 16 bits. So if I calculate this, 2 raised to power 0 is equals to 1, 2 raised to power 1 equals to 2, then 2 raised to power 2 equal to 4, then 3, and so on. So the maximum value for this is 32768. So the maximum value that these kind of bits can carry is 32768 with this kind of calculation. So why this is minus 2 plus? Because as I said yesterday, the integer will be either a positive value or a negative value. If we do not mention any sign before the number, that by default that will be a positive. Next, let's discuss about what are different variables. So these are the different variables. Variable is basically an entity that can store a value. For example, as we have a memory, we can store different kind of values or different kind of things in our memory. Similarly, our system is also having a memory in which that system can store the values. So variable is an entity that can be changed. Let's suppose initially we have a x equal to 3, but later on if I assign a value 5 to x variable, then this 3 will not be present in this x. So let's suppose this is the memory of a computer system. Initially we have a value 3. Let's suppose this location is equals to x and this value is 3, but later on this value will be stored in this place, that is equals to 5. So while constructing we have certain rules, as we have already talked in case of constants, characters, primary constants and secondary constants. So in case of variables, we have a combination of 1 to 31 alphabets, digits or underscore. So while declaring any kind of variable, we have to use some kind of alphabets, digits or underscore. The first character must be an alphabet or underscore. It cannot be a space. We cannot use space to declare a variable. No commas are allowed, no blanks are allowed. We can use an underscore. So this is basic cell. Let's suppose this is a variable name, and between this we can use underscore. Before this number variable we can use underscore. At the last we can also use underscore. So only underscore is a special character that can be used in case of variables. Let's discuss another thing. Next is the keywords. Keywords are the words which are having a certain meaning for the compiler. We cannot use, or user cannot use these words for their own purpose. Let's suppose we have to declare a variable x, but while declaring x we cannot use int as a variable name. So int is a predefined word, auto is a predefined word, float is a predefined word. So these are the predefined words that which are available in C programming. We cannot use these names for our purpose, or user cannot use this for its own purpose. Okay, so next is first program. Add two numbers. This program we will do tomorrow on the system rather than in the presentation, and we will also discuss what kind of software we will use to run the program, how to write the program, how to execute the program, where to click to run the program, and how to see the output on the screen. So these are the different kind of things or different kind of scenarios which are used. Thank you so much. In case of any query you can write in the comment section. Just like and subscribe the channel, or in case you want to learn personally or through the online classes, then you can contact at 9988016153.